Ginyagia haria turi thiri uria bururi wa Kenya uri naguo ni ukinyete ciringi trilioni 5. Murigo wa thiri uyu arimwe wa maundu maria matumite ruhonge rwa kigina thiini wa the IMF kuhinyiriria Kenya gwikira igoti ria gicunje gia 13% kuri maguta. Kumana na uhoro uyu mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga arauga thiri uyu ni urabatara kwariririo na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka niguo gwetha njira cia kung'ethanira na murigo uyu hatari kuhinyiriria mu Kenya makiria ma uria ahinyiririkite.
We know that the society is hurting. Our country is hurting. The burden is too heavy for our people to bear. And that's why we must have a conversation how to deal with the debt burden, which is now forcing the government to increase taxes, which is unbearable to the people of Kenya.
Akiuga no nginya bururi uthie na mbere na tabarira cia ukuria aragiritania mathina maya magumeire bururi na ndamathia ya ungumania uhoro uria unyititwo baru ni murunawe wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka.
There must be a solution because Kenya must move on. We must be able to meet our development needs. And my view is that we need to slay this animal called corruption. If corruption can be controlled, the government can raise the additional funds that they require for development without having to increase taxes to our people.
Wananchi wanasikia vile maisha yako na uzito, na hivyo basi uzito huo ambao tunausikia, na hata watu waambiane ukweli pia. Wakati ukisema President Uhuru akirudi afanye ABC, and I'm quite sure he's going to address this issue, all right? Lakini pia yeye mwenyewe alijulisha tukiwa kule, akasema the problem ni kwamba ufisadi umewaniri kiwango, umefikia kiwango ambacho kusema kweli ni cha ajabu.
Kiumia kimwe githiru niguo thogora wa maguta wathire iguru thutha wa thirikari gwikira igoti riri ria VAT na gicunje 13 hari igana murigo uria ugwiriire Kenya na njira ngurani kumana na kwambatira kwa mathogora ma indo na motungata. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.